Welcome to Upper Michigan Source Weather on Demand for this Monday, March the 23rd, where the official high was 32, the overnight low 7. Compared to the average high and low of 37 and 17, we were over 7 degrees below the long-term average as our cold streak continues. This week, the warmest day should be Tuesday, and then some snow with a complex area of low pressure UP-wide, at least some snow Wednesday, and mainly over the northern sections on Thursday. All in all, temperatures will be below average this week. Right now, a very benign pattern across the northern United States. There's a trough moving into the west coast. There's a ridge over the plains, northwest flow here, and that ridge supports a huge surface high pressure area that came down from the northwest. It's sitting just to our east, only slowly drifting to the east. That's why we're quite cold. Lee side low pressure is beginning to develop a couple of centers from the northern into the central Rockies and foothills. These systems are the ones that will affect us at midweek. Here's the way things look by the time we get into Thursday. The lows will be to our east, and we'll see the pattern repeat again that we saw much of the winter with a big ridge out west, big trough centered over the Great Lakes. That means a flow of cold northerly winds, and we'll likely see snow, especially over the northern UP. That'll linger because of that trough in the cold air. Speaking of cold, it'll still be cold out in the eastern UP tonight, around 10, maybe even to the single numbers in some spots with very light winds. Then as you move east, 10 into the teens over most of upper Michigan, and the far western UP could stay above 20 degrees with a little stronger wind. Then the wind picks up out of the south to southeast on Tuesday, so highs should warm at least above freezing in places like Newberry and Manistee, but still chilly, mid to upper 30s from Munising down to Escanaba, then around 40 into the 40s over much of the western UP, with the warmest over the western interior, maybe mid to upper 40s, near 40 in the Copper Country. This is the way it'll look tomorrow. We'll warm up because the wind will start to blow out of the south ahead of this low pressure area that'll turn into a complex affair. A couple of lows. The one in the south will come up to the north, and that will give us a period of snow Wednesday. It won't last all that long. Best chance of a few inches of accumulation over the south and east, lesser amounts as you move to the north and west. Then on Thursday, the last of the lows moves to our east, but a lingering upper trough with some moisture and the colder air working in means some snow, mainly over the northern UP, where a few inches could fall, especially in the higher elevations. Your TV 6-day forecast. And along with the snow will come the cold on Thursday. Friday, too, highs mainly in the 20s, lows in the single numbers, both Thursday night, early Friday, and early Saturday morning, too.